Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic a lazy Sunday. At a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. It was a lazy Sunday. The sun was shining brightly, but Maya didn't want to get up. She was so comfortable in her bed. The soft sheets were warm and cozy, and the gentle breeze coming through the window felt refreshing. She snuggled deeper into the covers, closing her eyes and letting the sound of the birds chirping lull her into a peaceful sleep. After a while, the delicious aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafted into her room. It was her mom calling her to wake up. With a heavy heart, Maya rolled out of bed and made her way to the kitchen. The warm, comforting scent of coffee filled the air, and she couldn't resist taking a big sip. The rest of the morning was spent lazily. Maya read a book, watched her favorite TV show, and played with her pet cat Whiskers. She felt no rush, no stress, just pure contentment. As the afternoon approached, Maya decided to go for a walk in the park. The sun was high in the sky and the park was filled with people enjoying the beautiful day. Children were playing on the swings and slides, couples were strolling hand in hand, and ducks were chasing squirrels. Maya walked slowly, taking in the sights and sounds of the park. The fresh air and the gentle breeze made her feel invigorated. After her walk, Maya returned home and decided to cook a delicious meal. She put on her apron and started chopping vegetables. The rhythmic sound of the knife slicing through the vegetables was soothing. She added spices and herbs, creating a symphony of flavors. As the aroma of the food filled the kitchen, her mouth watered in anticipation. Once the food was ready, Maya sat down to eat. She savored every bite, appreciating the delicious flavors and the hard work that went into preparing the meal. After lunch, she washed the dishes and tidied up the kitchen. As the evening approached, Maya decided to relax with a good book. She curled up on the couch, a soft blanket wrapped around her. The pages of the book transported her to a different world, a world filled with adventure and excitement. She lost track of time and engrossed in the story. As the sun began to set, Maya lit a few candles and turned on some soft music. The warm glow of the candles created a cozy atmosphere, and the soothing music relaxed her mind. She sat by the window, watching the sky turn from blue to orange to pink. The beauty of the sunset filled her with a sense of peace and gratitude. As the night grew darker, Maya prepared for bed. She took a warm shower, brushed her teeth, and put on her pajamas. She climbed into bed, pulled the covers over her, and closed her eyes. She thought about the day, the moments of joy and relaxation. She felt grateful for the simple pleasures of life. As she drifted off to sleep, she smiled, knowing that tomorrow was another day to cherish.